Hi students, welcome to English for All channel. Today's topic is very interesting one. That is, what is the reason behind in using tie? In one of the interviews, the candidate faced the same question by one of the interviewers. The interviewer asked this question to one of the candidates like, "Gentlemen, your tie is nice. Will you please say the reason behind in using tie?" Then the candidate got stuck. "Arey, what is the reason behind in using tie?" He doesn't even know. So he waited for 10 to 30 seconds, waited and tried thinking in the reason behind in using the tie and all, but he could not find any answer. So immediately he gave a different reply, excellent reply to the interviewer that I am really very sorry sir, I don't know the reason why we use tie. Will you please explain me so that I get benefited? So even though he doesn't know the answer, he gave such a reply to the interviewer that the interviewer got pleased. So it is important that in interviews also, even if you don't know the answer, nothing will happen, but you should be polite and you should place your what we call ignorance in such a way that interviewer has to feel very happy. So now coming to the point, what is the reason behind in using tie? Let me tell you a simple background of our history. In our history, generally, when we start performing any pujas, vratas, sacred things in front of God, generally the priests they give us a sacred thread. And the sacred thread has to be tied to our right hand. So what is the reason behind in using that sacred thread in front of a god by the priest? The reason is very simple. It is called kankana in Telugu. It is called kankanam in Telugu. That means we are giving promise to the god that till the end of this vrata, till the end of this sacred puja, I don't even take water. I don't even stand up from this place. I discharge my duties. I perform that puja in a dedicated manner. I show my sincerity. It is the promise generally we make to the god in the form of wearing kankana. So the same applies to here also. When we wear a tie while going to the office, when we enter inside the office, it shows that we are committed, we are very dedicated, we are honest towards the work. We dedicated towards the work, and till the end of that work, that means till the end of office hours, we discharge our duties in a sincere manner. So it is a sort of commitment towards our profession, towards our work. So what is the reason in using tie? It is very simple. It shows our dedication, it shows our sincerity towards the work. So it is compulsory that we have to keep tie in a perfect manner. Whenever we loosen the tie, generally when we lose our tie, when we go for refreshing, that means maybe for a snacks, or maybe for lunch time, or maybe for having a tea break, at the time we loosen the tie. That means I'm not attentive now. I'm not attentive. I'm free now. So it shows that I'm not dedicated to the work at this moment. I'm enjoying. I'm relaxing. I'm taking a break. So whenever you go to the work, it is mandatory that you have to tighten the tie. You have to be very dedicated. You have to be very. You need to show your sincerity towards the work by keeping the tie in a perfect manner. Hope you understood what is the reason behind in using tie. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button also so that you will get all the notifications. Generally we produce 1 or 2 minutes or 3 or 4 minutes videos so that you enhance your knowledge very simply. Thank you once again.